Hi, I'm Pauline, I'm product manager in Alkonost, and I want to show you our new service platform Pikaban. First, let me explain where it comes from. In Alkonost, we create a lot of multilingual banners for display ads, and we want them in different sizes, for different platforms, in different formats, and in different languages. And of course, our designer is exhausted from doing monotonous work because every time when our marketing team wants to change some text or image, they need to ask designer for changes. And the final straw was when the marketers decided that they need animated banners in HTML5. And of course, our designer just said, "Oh guys, please, without me, stop." But at this moment, we didn't give up, we chose to solve the problem, and it's how Pikaban came up. So how it works now? We develop templates in HTML, and things that we want to change, such as text, images, for example, price tags, or background color, and so on, we put in the attributes, and everything upload to the platform. So here, our marketer just go to the Pikaban account, choose designs that they want, and set some attributes. They can just easily change text, image. For example, I can just click here, watch this, or I can just turn off and turn on, for example, this one, and see with this one how it looks. Or let's this one. Yes, and I can just click on the banner and see how it's animated. So without coding and without asking designer or developers, our marketers can just control and customize and adjust banners and get all banner combinations that they need. In our platform, we have workspace with different projects, and each project contains some sets with creatives and different designs, different sets can have different attributes. Also, I want to show you how easy it is to set up different creatives. So let's create new project. Okay, just leave it project 7. Okay, here I don't have anything. Let's create set. I will choose demo simple design with the free universal templates, and I will try this. Okay, I just leave set 1. I can choose vendors. For example, I want Google HTML and I want PNG, for example. Also, I can choose Facebook for MP4 or Amazon with their sizes. So here it is, I have some templates, and let's fill attributes. For example, I want just key message. For example, get 1000 banners. Great. I want to add supporting text. For example, in 1 minute. Great. And also add text to the button. For example, try it. Great. And also I can add another text. For example, try free. And here I have combination with a try it button and with a try free. Also, if I add, for example, another 1K message or another supporting text, I will have all combination between using these all attributes. So let's choose background color, for example, blue, and I want this glow. Great. I can click on the banner and see how it's animated. It's wonderful. Also, I can duplicate or rename sets and create folders. For example, if I want to create A/B test, I can just leave here try it. Then I can just duplicate, and in the copy I would leave try free button. Let's rename and call it, for example, set A, and this one rename set B. and I want to put it everything in the folder. For example, I don't know, Pikaban. Here it is, and I just want to put my sets to the folder. Great. So here in my folder I have two sets with creatives, and I want to download them. I just click on the folder because I want all my 24 creatives, and click download. So I will get a zip file with all my creatives to my email. I just click OK. It takes some time. Great. And let's go to the email. So here in email I have a link I can download. I just can open it my computer. I have a zip file, I can open it. Inside I have my Pikaban folder and all my banners, also PNG and zip with HTML. Great. So if it sounds interesting for you and you want to try Pikaban with your custom design, please contact me and we will see how we can be helpful. Thank you for your time. See you!